Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Our topic is perimeter and area. Okay, chapter 10, exercise 10.1, class 6. Okay, before we going to start our class, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Yeah, see. Okay, exercise 10.1, question number 5. Okay, a piece of wire is 60 centimeters long of each side. If the string is used to form an equilateral triangle, first one, second one a square, third one a regular hexagon, regular pentagon. Okay, see, string is, the length of string is what here? 60 centimeters. Length of string 60 centimeters. String is nothing but wire like that. Okay, string. Length of string is 60 centimeters. Using this 60 centimeter string, you have to form a equilateral triangle, square, regular hexagon, regular pentagon. Okay, see. ఏం లేదు, సపోజ్ ఒక వైర్, ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ఉంది 60 సెంటీమీటర్స్. స్ట్రింగ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఈజ్ 60 సెంటీమీటర్స్. ఓకే, 60 సెంటీమీటర్స్ యూజ్ ది స్ట్రింగ్. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ని యూజ్ చేసి, ఈ 60 సెంటీమీటర్ స్ట్రింగ్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ట్రయాంగిల్, ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి, స్క్వేర్ ఒకటి ఫామ్ చేయాలి, ఇంకొకటి హెక్సాగాన్, regular hexagon, not hexagon, regular hexagon. I will tell you what is the difference between regular hexagon and hexagon. Okay, regular hexagon and pentagon. Pentagon means, hexagon means, hexa is equal to, hexagon means 6 sides. Okay, 6 sides. Pentagon means 5 sides. పెంటాగాన్ మీన్స్ 5 sides. సి, హెక్సాగాన్ అంటే 6 sides ఉంటాయి. 6 sides ఉన్నదాన్ని హెక్సాగాన్ అంటాం. 5 sides ఉన్న షేప్ నచ్చి మనం పెంటాగాన్ అంటాం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ హెక్సాగాన్, 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. ఓకే, అండ్ పెంటాగాన్ హ్యాస్ 5 sides. ఓకే, దట్ ఈజ్ రెగ్యులర్ పెంటాగాన్. ఓకే, వన్ టూ త్రీ 4 suppose. Okay, that is a pentagon. Okay, this is hexagon, pentagon, square, triangle. Okay, triangle. This is triangle, square, hexagon, pentagon. What this is, triangle should be ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అంటే ఏంటంటే, ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అంటే 3 sides ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి, సమానంగా ఉండాలి. ఇది 5 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఉంటే ఇది 5 ఉండాలి, ఇది 5 ఉండాలి. ఇది సపోజ్ 10 ఉంటే ఇది 10 ఉండాలి, ఇది 10 ఉండాలి, ఇది 10 ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రయాంగిల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రయాంగిల్, దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, నో, బట్ దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఈక్వల్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ లెంత్. See, this will be, ఇది 10 centimeters ఉండొచ్చు, ఇది 5 centimeters ఉండొచ్చు, ఇది 6 centimeters ఉండొచ్చు. లైక్ దట్ దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఈక్వల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. మనకేమని అడుగుతున్నారు? ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ చేయమని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో 3 sides షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్, అండ్ ఆల్సో స్క్వేర్ హ్యాజ్ 4 sides are equal as usual. Okay, hexagon, this is regular hexagon. Okay, regular hexagon. This is also pentagon, also regular pentagon. Regular pentagon and regular hexagon అంటే 6 sides should be equal in length. ఈ 6 sides కూడా మనకి లెంత్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. ఇది 5 ఉంటే ఇది 5 ఉండాలి, ఇది 5 ఉండాలి, ఇది 5 ఉండాలి, ఇది 5 అట్లా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, 10 ఉంటే మొత్తం మిగిలిన సైడ్స్ అన్నీ 10 ఉండాలి. లేకపోతే ఇది కూడా హెక్సాగాన్ అవుతుంది, బట్ నాట్ అన్ రెగ్యులర్ hexagon. Okay, this is not an regular hexagon. This is not an regular hexagon. Why? Because this has also 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but regular hexagon అయితే కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఈక్వల్ సైడ్స్ లేవు. ఇది సపోజ్ 10 ఉండొచ్చు, ఇది 5 ఉండొచ్చు, ఇది 4 ఉండొచ్చు, ఇది 6 ఉండొచ్చు, అట్లా డిఫరెంట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్. సో this is hexagon but not regular hexagon. Regular hexagon అంటే మొత్తం సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి. అండ్ ఆల్సో పెంటాగాన్ ఆల్సో. పెంటాగాన్ హ్యాస్ 6 sides, సారీ పెంటాగాన్ హ్యాస్ 5 sides. 5 sides కూడా ఈక్వల్ లెంత్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, డిఫరెంట్ ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ ఉంటే అది కూడా పెంటాగాన్ అవుతుంది 5 sides ఉంటే, బట్ నాట్ రెగ్యులర్ పెంటాగాన్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ రెగ్యులర్ అండ్ నార్మల్ shapes. Okay, they are asking regular equilateral triangle, square also has 4 sides are equal, and regular hexagon, regular pentagon. They are asking regular means 5 sides should be equal length. Okay, clear? And what they are asking now, using this 6 centimeter string you have to form regular triangle, square, regular hexagon, regular pentagon. So how to form these regular shapes using this 6 centimeters. మనం ఈ 60 centimeters స్ట్రింగ్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనం ట్రయాంగిల్ని ఎట్లా ఫామ్ చేస్తామో మనం ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఓకే, లెట్ us see how to form. Okay, first one is what? Form an equilateral triangle. Okay, first you have to form an equilateral triangle. What they have given? 60 centimeters. Length of string is 60 centimeters. Length of string, okay, is equal to what? 60 centimeters. Length of string is nothing but perimeter of triangle. Okay, first one, this is length of string is nothing but what? Perimeter. Okay, perimeter of triangle 60 centimeters. Why? Because we are using this length of string, you have to form the triangle. Okay, 3 sides should be equal and but complete. Okay, perimeter should be 60 centimeters. Perimeter should be 60 centimeters. They are asking what is the side, length of the side they are asking. Okay, you have to find the length of the side. So triangle has length of string is perimeter of triangle. This is okay. See, string is nothing but here first one perimeter of triangle. Is equal to what? 60 centimeters. Triangle has how many sides? Triangle has 3 sides. Okay, triangle has how many sides? Triangle has 3 sides. Okay, so what you for length of the side is equal to what? Fine, therefore length of the side is equal to 60 by 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 20s are 6. Okay, 20 centimeters. What is the length of side? Triangle length of side is equal to 20 centimeters. So what you can form with 20 centimeters. Okay, each side is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. This is also 20 centimeters. This is also 20 centimeters. Okay, perimeter should be 60 meters. If you add these 3 sides, you have to get 60 centimeters. Okay, 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 60. Okay, that is the perimeter. Already they have given. Using that length of the string, we have to form a triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay, like that. And again second one is square. Form a square using the length of string, that is 60 centimeters. Okay, what they have given? Length of string is 60 centimeters. Okay, here also length of string is equal to perimeter of square. Okay, perimeter of square, that is what? 60 centimeters. They have given already, they have given. Okay, now use this length, you have to form a square. Square has how many sides? Square is equal to 4 sides. Okay, 4 sides. Square has how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Okay, divide 60 by 4. Okay, so therefore one side is equal to how much? 60 by 4. Okay, again 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 15s are 60. So 15 centimeter. Each side is 15 centimeter. Each side has 15 centimeters length. Okay, see, this is 15 centimeter. This is 15. This is also 15. This is also 15 centimeters. Okay, using this string. If you add these 4 sides, you have to get 60 centimeters. Is it 15 plus 15 30? 30 plus 15 45. 45 plus 15 60. Okay, and again third one. Hexagon, regular hexagon. Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. 6 sides. Okay, so again same as it is perimeter of rectangle is perimeter of length of string is equal to perimeter of hexagon. As it is, length of string is equal to what here? Already length of string is equal to perimeter of hexagon. Okay, so what is that? 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters. Hexagon has 6 sides, so you have to divide 60 by 6. Okay, so one side of hexagon is equal to what? One side of, here also one side of hexagon is equal to what? Hexagon equal to 60 by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 10 is 60. Okay, 60 is 10 centimeters. Okay, 10, each side is 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. This is also 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, 10 centimeters. Each side has length of 10 centimeters. Okay, this is the okay, and the third and fourth one, regular pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. 5 sides. 5 sides. Okay. Here also same. Length of the string is equal to perimeter of pentagon. Sorry. Regular pentagon. Okay. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Length of, here also same pentagon. Sorry. Length of string is equal to perimeter of pentagon. Okay, perimeter of pentagon, what they have given? 60 centimeters. So one side is equal to what? You have to divide 60 by 5. Okay, so one side of pentagon is equal to 60 by 5. Okay, here 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 12 is 60 centimeters. Okay, 5 12 is 60, 5 12 is 60, so 12 centimeters. Each side is equal to what here? 12 centimeters. Okay, 12, 12, 12 and 12 centimeters.